So, I'm going to talk about Black Shark smartphone and I will tell you everything about that phone in just 2 minutes. So let's begin. Hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir. So in this video, as I have told you, I'm going to talk about Black Shark smartphone that Xiaomi announced. So let's talk about that phone. So first of all, let me tell you, Black Shark is a different brand and Xiaomi is a different brand. They are collaborating to create this smartphone which is called Black Shark. So guys, this Black Shark smartphone has Snapdragon 845 processor, which is the latest flagship processor from Qualcomm. So guys, it will be powered by Adreno 630 GPU, which will handle the gaming, and it has 5.99 inches of 1080p display, which is not 120 Hz as the Razer phone had. So guys, in terms of camera, it has dual camera on the rear, one of which is 12 megapixel with the aperture of f1.8 and the second camera is 20 megapixel with the same aperture of f1.8. You can zoom in optically, it has 2x optical zoom, and the front facing camera is also 20 megapixel with the aperture of f2.2. And now let's talk about the design. They have this kind of design, you can see over here. The design looks quite appealing to me. The sound quality, so guys, it has single speaker on the bottom, the earpiece on the top. It will act like a second speaker, so they can provide some studio type of effect on the speaker, so the sound quality will be good. And they provide some Bluetooth controller for controlling the smartphone while playing game, like as you see on the pictures. So they have given us 4000 mAh battery with the Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. There is no issue of the battery life. The battery life is very good. They provide water cooling in the smartphone itself, so it is a very good thing. And they also provide copper heat pipes to radiate the heat on the back of the smartphones. So guys, talking about the pricing, they released two variants of this smartphone. One which will have 6GB RAM with 64GB of internal. The second version will have 8GB of RAM with 128GB of internal storage. And the pricing are 31,000 and 36,000 respectively. And in this pricing, I would say it looks quite promising. And even it is the cheapest phone with the Snapdragon 845 chipset, which is very cool in my opinion. So that's all in this video guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button. Please share this video with your friends who want to buy this phone or who has an interest in technology videos. So please share this video with them. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification icon so you will be notified when I post this type of videos and many more awesome quality videos like this one. So thank you so much for watching this video guys. Bye bye.